Do this to attract money into your home. A witch told me and it works. The spell to attract money making your own amulet for the home is so simple and so effective, that you will be pleasantly surprised and you will realize that from this moment, there will be no shortage of money in your home. Write down the recipe to attract money. Ingredients and materials. 1. A wide cup. 2. A small cup. 3. 3 gold coins. 4. White sugar. 5. A red ribbon. Let's start. 1. Remember that for any ritual where your request or intention is to attract, make it better on Halloween night or on any other day of the year but with crescent moon. For money, look for a day that is Thursday. 2. Pour sugar into large glass until filling half the glass. 3. Place the narrow cup inside the large cup and arrange it tightly until it seats in the bottom. Press a little turning the cup. 4. Once set, put the 3 gold coins into the narrow glass. This will concentrate along with the sugar, energy that will be sweetened so that the money easily reaches your life, without having many impediments. 5. Now cut a long piece of red ribbon, and tie it with a double loop at the foot of the large cup while you order and request abundance of money. 6. You must place the amulet on the left side of the entrance of your house, the left side facing your door, from inside your house. 7. Try not to place it close to the ground. On the floor are placed things that have dirt like shoes, or things that will be trampled like a mat, etc. 8. We must treat money as something very important, so for example, never place your bag on the floor while you have dinner or you are in a bar having a snack. Find a chair for him and keep him at a considerable height where the important things are.